Okay, we're recording. We're recording.
Oh, hi. No one likes you.
Hello, everybody. This is Fast, Free, and Flying, or the hero of light.
Shut up. No.
And this is CrystalStars9890, and she makes animations and
It's 9890.
And she makes her cats look like demon art OCs with bright, blinding colors.
I hate you.
And this is Dragon, who doesn't have Skype. OMG! Really?
Hi.
Really?
Say hi. That would have been funny if he was actually saying like hi right after you said that. Really?
That'd be great. Hi, world. Hi, my. I gotta edit that out.
Oh my god. Wow.
I'll just put the beep sound effect over it.
You are evil. No one likes you. Why are you walking around?
Oh no, because I'm making
too much exercise.
I'm making a video!
Yeah, well, you fail at videos. Okay, so. It's like queso.
So.
We are.
What are we gonna do for the video?
We're gonna kill each other. We're going to hang a bunny.
We're gonna hang a bunny? Perfect.
Yeah, and then cut its head off. And then maybe dissect it. Dissect its brain. That is a good idea.
I can't say decapitate it.
And
it won't let me say decapitate.
It was my idea. Then dissect it. Oh. It only says direct.
You're dead.
That sounds so wrong. No!
Yeah, we're going to your den. We gotta hang a bunny.
Okay, fine. I'm just gonna. Let me see. We've gotta go to a small house. I have tons of those.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. This is my stage den. Don't mind it. It's just, yeah.
Oh my god, I'm burning alive!
I don't have a bunny.
You don't have a bunny?
Yeah, because I don't like stuffed animals.
Oh my god, you're poop. Poop! Poop!
We're going to dissect poop. Okay.
So we don't have a bunny. Use a fox instead.
Okay, so this fox, this black fox, he just went poop. And I am mad at it, so I'm gonna hang it, so.
Hang it. Wake up, you gotta hang a fox. Oh wow, that's hot.
His girlfriend is watching. Hey, I'm going to do the honors of hanging it. Okay.
I gotta turn into my little snuggly frosty snow leopard. So all my innocence can be taken away. He's eating the poo! Nom nom. Why, dragon? Why? Why you gotta be so rude? Hang it like a kawaii schoolgirl?
Kawaii Japanese schoolgirl.
Kawaii!
Japanese. Oh my god.
I don't like anime.
Senpu.
Senpu?
Senpu. I have to dissect it now.
I can't say senpu.
Okay, so there's poop all over it now.
Oh yes. Oh! I'll be the photographer. Let me get my photography on. I need my hipster hat and I need glasses.
Let's do the 1,000-degree knife challenge on this fox.
Yes.
It'll be so sneaky.
1,000-degree fox.
1,000-degree knife challenge.
Okay, so I'm the photographer. I got my
Your
hipster.
mom is a photographer.
I got my hipster on.
Ew, that's gross.
Gonna
Why are
take.
you wearing my dragonfly wings?
Yeah, cause I like them. You got a problem with that?
I do have a problem with that.
Okay, I'm nice and zoomed in now on the target.
Hey, as you can see,
Get out of the shot. Oh darn it! I'm swearing again.
you fail at life.
I fail at making videos.
Okay.
That's why I have no
so,
subscribers.
as you can
Oh, give me a
see-
minute. Give me a minute. I gotta set up the camera.
Wow. No, get out of the
Get out of the shot!
Can you censor that? I'm kinda cursed.
I didn't hear you. Let me
Good. Censor it anyways.
Yeah, I will. Just give me a minute. Gotta zoom in real nice.
Can you get out of the way?
Get out of the freaking shot! I'm trying to take quality art here. Okay, so I can't get my animal out of the shot, so I'm just gonna have to like stand here and pretend that I'm taking pictures.
Hey, so, as you can see, we're dissecting. Dissects.
Oh.
Wait, no, I have to cut off the head first. Alright.
I'm
let me see
craving-
if I have anything.
Right now I'm craving tomatoes.
Oh.
Kill it!
Oh.
Kill it.
Sorry, I'm trying to look for an item that looks like a fox head. Okay, whatever. So, now we have to dissect it.
Yes.
But, you know,
Dissect
I
it.
just don't want to. So we're just going to, you know, set it on fire.
Holy, this is beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Do you know how beautiful this is? Science, it's just, yeah.
It's beautiful. Science is beautiful.
Take a picture.
Okay. Oh yeah, I'm saving that to my album. I'm gonna turn down the volume a little bit on the Animal Jam thing.
Cool, bro.
That way I can hear your creamy voice.
Ew.
You spin me right round, baby, right round, baby, right round.
That's gross.
You like your mom? Oh! Get wrecked.
Your dance sucks.
Your mom sucks. My.
Dude!
Holy crap! I gotta censor so much. Shit. I mean.
Oh my god! That's so gross. No!
Like your mom.
Don't say that word again. Don't say the you know what word.
The what word?
No! The other one.
Censor?
Oh my god.
You got a problem with censorship? Holy crap.
Eh.
I'm just gonna have to be like beep 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 the entire freaking episode. Hey girl! You want a piece of this nice meat?
Oh no. My Animal Jam is dead.
Oh.
I'll be right back. I was texting my mom because
Yeah, I could hear that. All I could hear was BANG!
shut up.
I can't believe I have to wait 3 hours for the party.
No.
Holy crap, I'm in a table!
Why did you leave my den?
I didn't
Wait,
leave
you're
your
still-
den.
Okay.
What the?
This is just gonna.
How do I get on this?
Hawaiian
How do I get on this tablet? Oh, you go on the pillow. Like this.
Are you stupid?
Maybe.
Oh my god.
Dancing! Yeah! Dancing! Yeah! Da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da! What? I'm doing the Despicable Me thing. You know, with all the
one.
minions that like the screen.
Dude, you just said that word, and kids might be watching.
Darn it! Why am I such? I don't even know. I'm a dragon. I'm gonna.
Wow.
I'm a
Dude!
Daisy. Perfect. It auto-corrected to Daisy.
Did you say Oh,
You just,
I said that.
you just,
Wow, you got
you just-
editing to do.
You just said the word. Good job.
Well, you know, I'm.
Darn it! I went into the table.
I can say it if I want to.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends?
Because you suck at singing.
I'm actually very good at singing. I just don't try.
Well, I am amazing at singing because my friends love my singing and stuff.
I'm amazing. Yeah. I'm amazing at your body.
Censor that out.
It's not even a swear. It's not even a swear.
Why are you running around? It's pointless.
Because I'm trying to work out my legs. My legs. My legs. Chicken legs.
Chicken legs.
Yeah, you got a problem. I can't eat chicken legs though because I'm a vegetarian.
Damn, gem. I only have one gem pile, but I have 2 gem piles.
Only one gem
give
pile?
It to my other account.
Oh, buddy!
Yeah, I have an idea.
What is this idea? Good for you!
I don't even have to type it anymore. Oh. No.
Rude.
I'm so mean.
Yeah.
I hurt kids' feelings.
Yes, you are. Someone tells us what to wear. Are you talking about a fashion show?
No, he says to wear underwear on your head and run around.
Oh, you mean like Yandere-chan?
Nibble on poop.
And calls it a piece of fashion. What?
And calls it okay.
What?
Dress like a wait, no.
And then we walk on the catwalk. Lol.
I have a great idea. Dress like a. Why can't you dress up most like? Why?
You can't say it because
just the most like armpit. You have to look like an armpit.
I have to look like an armpit. Sorry, I was stretching.
Like an pit.
Are you ready to rock? I'm gonna dress up with the best armpit ever. That's too peachy. Fine, I'll be like an Asian armpit.
That's racist. Okay.
I don't care. Can I make my eyes peach colored? I'm just gonna have to go with that then. Now what? Then I give me some fur, because I'm gonna be a furry armpit. There we go!
Oh my god.
Hey baby! You wanna take a
No, I don't.
What is wrong with us?
More like, what is wrong with you?
More like, what is wrong with you? You suggested this.
Well, that's true.
You suggested freaking hanging a bunny and decapitating it, then dissecting it.
My mom sent me a creepy clown emoji. Just saying.
I'm gonna end this video now.
Bye, guys. I don't like you.
This has been Fast, Free, and Flying, or the Hero of Light.
No, shut up.
I'll see you guys in a month. Bye!
Wow.